Hello, good day to my dear students and welcome back to my channel Math World. So in the last class we had done chapter 3, that is pair of linear equations in two variables, the entire intro, the two methods of solving, that is graphical method and algebraic method. Then an intro for graphical method was also given, that is when the lines will intersect or when the lines will be parallel and the condition that the lines are coincident. So now let us move ahead by the graphical method, then later on we will go to the algebraic. So now the first exercise from your text, that is Aftab, that is exercise 3.1. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Isn't this interesting? Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. So this is the question. The present age of Aftab B. Aftab's present age is X and his daughter's age B, Y. So what is the first condition? He is talking about two situations. One is ago and then later. So in the first situation he says 7 years ago. So whatever his Aftab's age is, so minus 7. And so Y minus 7 for daughter also, obviously. So then let me just correct it. Okay. So daughter's age is Y minus 7. Okay. Now what he says, he was how many times? He was 7 times his daughter's age. So 7 times daughter's age. So now let me simplify. X minus 7 is equal to 7Y minus 7 sevens are 49. So it is X is equal to 7Y minus 49. When this minus 7 goes to other side, plus 7. So this will give me X is equal to 7Y minus 42. This is my first equation. See, I represented the first condition in the algebraic method. Now let us go to the next condition. 3 years later. So Aftab will get 3 years older, that is X plus 3 is equal to Y plus 3, and what he says, he is 3 times older, so 3. So let me write X plus 3 equal to 3Y plus 9. So simplifying this will give me X is equal to 3Y plus 9 minus 3, which is X is equal to 3Y plus 6. See, this is my second equation. So both the conditions are being represented in algebraic form. Now in order to do it graphically, there are two ways. One is you will be finding a graph paper like this. Okay, you will get a graph paper like this which you can use, or you can even do it directly as I am doing it here. Like I'll clean this, I'll clear it, and then see I'll be using the graph. So this is my y-axis and x-axis. Okay, so in order to do the scaling, I first require to solve the equations. Without solving, how will I know the x and y values? In order to do the scale, definitely I need to know the x and y values. So let us do it. So what was my first equation? My first equation was x is equal to 7y minus 42. So now here y is my independent variable and x is my dependent variable. So let us change the value of y. If I take y as 0, so what will happen here? X is minus 42. When I take y as 1, what will happen here? 7 1s are 7 minus 42, so minus 35. When I take x as y as 2, so 7 times 2 will be 14, 14 minus 42, it will give me, when y is 2, this will give me minus 28. Okay, see these are the values for the first equation. And what was my second? X is equal to 3y, it was plus 6, right my students? Yeah, it was plus 6. So now in the same way, y is my independent variable and x is the dependent variable. So let me replace with the same values, or you can take values. Y as it is independent, you can take any values of your choice. I am just taking same 0, 1 and 2. So this will be 6. So this will be 3 plus 6 is 9. And this will give me 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 6, 12. So now see, what are my scale? My scale reads x is going from minus 42 to positive 12 and y is only 0, 1, 2. So y, there is no issue. So I'll write 1. Obviously this is origin 0, 1, 2. This is on my y axis. And on x axis, for my easiness, I will take it as 10, 20, 30. So here I should take the same, minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40. Let me extend this line so that I'll be able to cover. So extending this line. So here I'm trying to extend this. Okay. So yeah, perfect. So now this will give me, next is minus 50, right? Right, my dear students? This is minus 50. So what I have taken on my, what is my scale? On x-axis, 1 unit is 10 and on y-axis, 1 unit is 1. Okay, this is for your understanding. So now, okay, on x-axis, what is my scale? 1 unit is 10. Okay, on y-axis, 1 unit is equal to 1 only. So now, first let us plot the first one. So let us use a different color. Okay. So y is equal to 0 when x is 42. So x is 42. So somewhere here 42 and y is 0. Okay. Then 35 means somewhere here in between 40 and 30 and y is 1. And minus 28 here and x is and y is 2. Okay. This will give me the first, this is giving me the first equation. This is the line for first equation. Let me just draw it. Yeah. See? Just use your pencil and scale. Always for all the graphs you should use pencil only. Don't use pen. Okay, see, by using scale I could get this. Now what I will be doing here, now for the next one, let me use any of your favorite color. Let us use this. Okay. Okay, now for the next equation, y is 0 means x is 6. So 6 will be, this is 5, approximately 6 is here. And 1 is 9, so here. And 2 means 12, so here. Is that okay? So now what I will do, I'll again use my scale. I'll use the line to connect it. So see, I'll be able to using the line. So I'll connect this using the scale and pencil. Just okay. See, this is the line what I will be getting. So this is how I have represented both the equations as algebraic form as well as graphical form. Okay. So this is our exercise 3.1 from your NCERT first problem. Similarly, try doing the second. Then with the next video, we will come up with the next exercise. Okay. So until then, take good care of yourself, my dear students. Have a good day. Take care. Bye-bye.